10th experiment of Flutter Lab. In this experiment, I have built a screen application that performs user login. This app takes an email and a password, checks them against user collections in Firebase database. If the login is correct, it navigates to a new dashboard screen. Here is the login page. It has email, password and a login button, and the title of is user login. First, I will show you demonstration with wrong username and password. As you can see here, when I click a wrong user email and a password, it says invalid email or password. This is the collection that I created, users and the documents that I have added. When I click the right email and password, it says when I click the right email and password, it takes me to a new window. It says dashboard, welcome John. As you can see, the login was successful and it has navigated me to a new brand dashboard page. It has passed the username to display welcome John. Now let's go to the code. This is the YAML file. These were the dependencies that I have added recently. Firebase core and cloud Firestore. These are important for me to connect this Android application to backend Firebase database. build.gradle.kds. This is an important file, and I have added a class path as .com Google services.co. It helps me connect to the Android app to Firebase database. This Google services.json file is created when I try to create a new app. When I try to create a new app, then it says download Google services.json. This is the file that I get when I download it. Main.file, it is located in the library folder. And has 3 dependencies. This is the import material cloud Firestore, and it says title is user login. These are the controllers that are in this app. Text, both are text editing, email controller and password, and it says string, both are in string format, email and password, and it says please fill in all fields. This database is located in collections user, where email and password are stored. When the user clicks on correct email and password, the dot gets the values of email and password. It authenticates us. Future why this login user function is the core of login page. It's async because it must wait the network call to Firebase. String email and string password first. On these lines, it gets the email and password from text controllers. Final query, await Firebase's Firestore.instances. This is the most important part. The query, I am building a query to search user collections. Collection is user collection where email and password are located. Query.docs is not empty. After the wait, this if statement checks if query.docs is not empty. This means that our command compound query find at least one user that matches both email and password. If it's true, they have successfully logged in. These lines get the first magic documents, then extract the name field from it to show in the dashboard, new dashboard page. Navigator dot push replacement. This is the navigation. I use navigator dot push replacement. Dot push replacement is special. It throws away the current login page, replaces with the new dashboard page. This is why pressing back button exists in the app. Blocks. If query blocks was empty, then the else block runs. This calls the state and sets the message invalid email or password, which makes the error appear on the screen. Dashboard page flash. Finally, a dashboard page is very simple. It's stateless with just because it just displays the data. It doesn't change. String username dashboard page required this username. On these lines, it defines a username variable and a constructor to receive it. This is our login page passes the name welcome username. Then the build method displays the username in the text widget welcome user. The conclusion is that I have created my login app. It uses a compound Firestore query with where.where to validate a user and navigator.push replacement to move to a new screen, passing the user's name as perimeter. Thank you.